overcoming obstacles. Now, let me just think. Do you have anything in your life that's challenged you once, maybe twice, maybe a few times in your life? A test that comes up real fast and you go, I haven't studied for it. Whatever the challenge is, how do you meet it? See, the trouble is with most of us, when there's an obstacle that comes in our way, a challenge, we focus more on the problem, the challenge, the obstacle, than we do on the solution. The solution is this big, and we're looking at the little bitty problem. But when we focus on it, that little bitty issue, challenge grows, until it becomes a full-blown obstacle that we're going, we can't even jump to climb over. So again, where your mind is focused at is what's going to happen. So now, what do you think is the solution to getting past this great big obstacle that you've created with your mind? What do you think the solution is? It's simple. Interestingly enough, all it is for you to ask yourself that question. That's right, just ask. What is the solution to this great big problem? What is it? You'll realize that you didn't put it all the way to the back wall so you can walk around it. Or there's handholds in the wall and you can climb right over it. What happens is when you ask the question, what is the solution to this problem? A very cool thing happens with your mind. Your subconscious starts to work and it starts to look for any answer to that question. And it starts focusing no longer on the obstacle, but the actual solution. Remember when we played that game with the colors? Look for everything blue, close your eyes, now look for things that are green. This is what your brain does. You focus on the solutions, your subconscious will start spinning until it finds 1, 2, 3, hundreds of ways to get past that obstacle. So go ahead, let's do it. I want you to think of one of those obstacles that's been in your way and it seems really big. You know, one that's been stopping you from moving forward in anything that you want to do. Whether it's talking to that boy or that girl that you've been really wanting to talk to, but you just think that look means stay back. You haven't figured out what it means yet, but you're not going closer. Or you're having some problems with math. That calculus is just catching you off guard. And so now it's blown up to this big. Think, what are the solutions? Let's go ahead and find one that's been holding you back. Because you're going to be so surprised by how easy, just easy, how what? Easy it is for you to overpower it when you focus your mind, your superhero mind, on the solutions. So now, as we start to focus and create solutions, life is going to get quite easy. And this is going to become a powerful tool that you're going to be able to use time and time again. Just like you use that anchor to keep your self-confidence high no matter who is around you, no matter what's being said or thrown at you in life. When you learn how to do this, to ask yourself the question, to take a step back and say, what's the solution to this problem? And then just write some answers out and start figuring out which one's the best. When you keep practicing this again and again and again, you're going to be unstoppable. Because you'll never see another obstacle. You'll only see solutions. And as you know, what you think about, you create. What you focus on is attracted. So start attracting more solutions and become that person that's solving problems all over the world, getting paid at the same time, and living a fun life because you're achieving the life of your dreams. So now, take a moment, take out your pen, take out your paper, and you know what's going to happen. I want you to start listing out, thinking about one of those big problems, and I want you to list out all the possible solutions for that problem. And I don't care how crazy they may seem. Write them down. Okay, your time starts now. Go. Okay, so now you've been writing down solutions. Hopefully you wrote a lot down because the more you have to choose from. And guess what? It starts to get fun because the more you focus on solutions, that's all you see. And then overpowering your obstacles becomes easy. It becomes so easy that it becomes a habit. And now you're using your superhero mind to the fullest for knocking the obstacles out of your life and flowing right past them. Use your mind for the fullness of your abilities. All right, I'll see you during lesson 12, where we're going to learn about something that's very powerful. I'll see you tomorrow. You're doing awesome. I'm glad you're here. We're almost done. See you soon.